We've got to talk other things. Where's
You
that?
just don't want to get in my head at the moment. It's a mess.
Where's the car I put up here?
Oh, this one.
Oh, there. I put it up here so I wouldn't forget it.
Closely related to the vintage bash.
Rivet. Well, it ran.
Ribbit around it. It's run at every bash.
It's run every single bash.
Every bash.
And should you wish to,
Procure your own.
here's one we didn't prepare earlier.
No, it's unprepared. Unsheathed. Now, I've done it. I actually did an unboxing on this in the studio yesterday. So look out for that coming out. I did a proper, well, as proper as I get.
Yeah.
Post-production.
So half-assed.
Yeah, but it's in editing, so it'll be there for a while.
Yeah.
But yeah, I did an unboxing on this yesterday. Frogs are back in stock.
Well, this one, that's it.
Yeah, out of the 6 that we had, there's one left.
Already. And by the end of the day, I may take this home yet. So.
Well, somebody else is coming in this afternoon to pick theirs up. So, who you may or may not. Rudolph.
Oh.
Rudolph was on the hotline.
So
Rabbit, he said, Rabbit.
So,
put me a frog away.
So Rudolph of Ruth's Colour.
That's right. Oh, Rudy's coming in to pick up his very own.
Frog.
So don't be without.
Yeah, frog.
Frog on.
Where it's at. I mean, this one's obviously a bit different. You've got the different wheels on, so you can put blockhead 2.2
tires on it. Yeah. It's got these JC, and that's closely related to Sue's as well. Sue's got me these wheels.
Yeah.
A year ago. Surian, thanks for watching. Thank you. All the cars I've got wheels provided by Surian. Double X. He sourced those wheels. He's the wheel man.
The Driftmeister.
The DK Drift King Sue's coming to the wheels.
And while we're talking bash.
While we're talking bash.
Second biggest class at the bash is the Hornet Evo class. 47, I think, drivers.
And I don't care who you are. That's got to be 2 heats. I don't know.
Yeah, you can't fit 47 cars on the track.
Not with no driver's stand. Like, you know what I mean?
Yeah, on the drive. Yeah,
with 12 people on the driver's stand.
Well, it's just like me and Tony Pereiro up there, and that's it. There's no one else.
Otherwise, there should be nobody allowed on the driver's stand, and everybody has to stand around the perimeter.
I struggle enough with Knox as it is, even on the stand. So I'm not going to stand around the perimeter.
You're not alone there. But,
no. There you go. So we've got a couple of these left. And I don't know if we're ever going to get any more.
Amazing price. Well, it's the second run of them.
Yeah.
That's the second only ever run of them.